Hi, I'm Jen. Welcome to Blythe Bags. And today we're going to be unboxing Border Spirit. She is an old release from 2011. And I just thought she was very in theme with today. Happy 4th of July or happy semi-quincentennial, as it's the 250-year anniversary or birthday of our country. So I thought she looked very Americana, or I could get her into the Americana theme because she has the red and white striped box with the blue, and her outfit is red, white, and blue. And I just thought she was the perfect doll for today, the perfect life for today. And I wanted her for actually a long time. And I finally picked her up on Zen Market. She was like $143, which she's usually a $300 doll, but it said that she had been removed from the box for pictures and put back into the box. And I believe that because she looks brand new. She's attached still to the box, like as if she was new. And all of her stock items are in the box where they're supposed to be, taped into the box. So I don't know if they just slid her out and took pictures for, I don't know, because the tape is broken. So that may just have been the way it translated from Japanese to English when I translated it. I'm not exactly sure, but she does look brand new. So I took the chance because, well, I trust the descriptions in the listings, and um, she looks great. She looks great in the box. I'm very happy with her, and I just thought she'd be perfect for the 4th of July celebration, 4th of July weekend, and to show you some of my town, because this town that I live in the Philadelphia suburbs, which is fitting since this is the birthplace of America. Um, and this town that I lived in was actually named by Travel and Leisure magazine last year as America's best small town. And the town goes all out for every holiday. It's always decorated, it's beautifully decorated. There's like 80 restaurants in this town. I can walk to town from here. I'm like half a mile, not even into town. And I walk into town every day for exercise. I walk like 3 miles almost every day. So I'm in town every day, and the town is just beautiful. It's a beautiful little town. It is small town Americana. What you think of Pennsylvania, out of the city. I'm like 45, 48 minutes outside of Philadelphia. So I'm not, right in the city. I'm in one of the suburbs. So this is Border Spirit, and I thought she would be perfect for today. And let me tell you a little bit about her, because I actually don't remember. I mean, I remembered her seeing her in my books, and I just love her theming, and I loved the. She has straight blonde long hair, and I love straight hair on a Blythe. I love a bob even more because they're manageable, but this is great. So she's an RBL face mold. Her release date was September of 2011. She sold for 14,490, which is pretty much what I've just paid for her, especially if 2011 was anything like 2013. When I first went to Japan and stayed that summer for my husband to attend that engineering program, we weren't even getting 80 cents to the dollar. So now the dollar is stronger than the yen, and it benefits us greatly when we go on vacation. But the first trip was not. I think the first few trips were not. And she is a regular release, and she has special eye colors: light blue, light green, light purple, and smoky brown. Oh, all of her eye colors are special colors. I didn't even know that. She has a natural skin type, and her stock includes her blouse, her skirt, her hat, her earrings, socks, shoes, underwear, and her stand. So, like I said, she was 2011, so she's not, she's an old release, but I've been unboxing Blythes that were from 2003 and stuff. She's not that old. So let's go ahead and see what she looks like when we get her out of her box. Okay, well, here she is in her box. As you can see there, she is. She's beautiful. And now let's go ahead. Oh, I don't even need this today because this box has already been opened. Okay, we don't need that again. Okay, well, here she is. She's beautiful. Okay, let me go ahead and unsecure all of her things and then put her on her stand. With her hat. So cute. Little hat. So cute. We have shoes and her socks in here. Stand. Blue. Base for her stand. Okay, let's get her out. And, oh, and there she is. Oh, she's all wrapped, so that's good. Okay, so they've wrapped her up, but let's see if we can. Where's her eye? Oh, her pull cord isn't here. You have to let her hair out. Her hair feels good, actually. I don't know if this was ever removed. I don't even know how they. Okay, there she is. Oh, she's so pretty. Let's see her eye change. I was like, where is that cord? Okay, so they're all special colors. So there's the front facing. Oh, right facing. Those are dark green. Oh, look at those purple front facing and the left facing. They look gray. They're supposed to be brown, but they look gray. But those, I love those the best. Okay, so let's get her dressed and in her stand. Okay, well, here's little Miss Border Spirit. She's adorable. And she has these gigantic, clunky shoes here. You can see the heel. They're huge. She has clunky shoes. She's a cute little outfit on and her hat. And she actually does have little red heart earrings. And she has a manicure, little pink manicure. So cute. And I just think she's adorable. I love all of the eye colors, but that one is my favorite. But I think she's so cute. And I think the doll is in excellent condition. I mean, her clothes are really nice. I mean, they just make their clothes so well. Look at the cute little trim on there, the little detail, and she has a bow belt in the back there. Just so cute. And the striped socks with the little shoes. She's adorable. Okay, so we're going to go ahead now and I'm going to show you the bag. Okay, we've seen the Blythe. Now let's see the bag. This is a Spartina 449 bag. And you'll see in an upcoming video, I've opened up their Greetings from Florida tote bag, and I loved it. Loved it. The leather trim and the leather handles, and it's a beautiful bag. It's like a Neverfull style, like a Louis Vuitton Neverfull, but instead it has the map of Florida. It's very retro, and the colors are very Florida, and I loved the bag. Then I saw this bag. This is the Greetings from New York Crossbody. This bag was clearance out. It was a $200 bag that I got for $43. In fact, I picked up multiple of these because I'm going to give some of them as gifts. But not saying who, and I'm not saying for when, but I did. Because this brand is not an inexpensive brand. They're an expensive brand. They're a small company out of South Carolina, out of the Low Country in South Carolina. And they're very boutique chic. In fact, I first saw this brand when I was visiting my in-laws. They have a place in Vero Beach. They have a house in Vero Beach, and they snowbird. And we went to lunch, and we were on like the promenade where all the fancy shops are. And one of the stores had the Greetings from Florida bag in this shop, and I'm like, I love that. I always remembered it. It was a few years ago. And then I saw it this year online and I picked it up. And the box, the inside of the box, everything was beautiful. The presentation, it was beautiful. This bag was clearanced out. And I don't know if I bought all the ones that were left, but I bought a few of them, like I said. So let's take a look. Oh, it's very nice. And the leather is so soft. And I purchased this bag because, as you know, I'm originally from New York. And so is my husband. And a lot of places on this map mean something to us. So here's the Statue of Liberty here, and Ellis Island. And my grandparents came in through Ellis Island in the 20s. And here is Staten Island, where I am from. And my husband is from Long Island, which I believe here's Queens, Bronx, Westchester, New Jersey. Is Long Island on here? Long Island City is here. Coney Island, Brooklyn. Shout out to my cousins in Brooklyn. I have family in Brooklyn. Brooklyn Heights here, but I love the map of Manhattan. Chelsea, Midtown, Soho, Little Italy. That's where my grandparents lived on Mott Street, which is now, I think it's part of Chinatown now, but Mott Street was originally Little Italy. And here you have Jersey City and Hoboken and the Hudson River. And I just thought that this was a very cool bag. And because it's the 4th of July and because she's kind of Americana, I thought, to me, nothing means more to me about America than New York. And even growing up, I thanked my grandparents, like, thank you for staying in New York when you got off of that boat and not going to some, not that there's anything wrong with other states, but I had an amazing upbringing. I lived in an amazing place in a city that had every kind of art available, every arts form available, every major league team. Sports were the best in the country. I just had access to everything, to theater, to museums, to shows, to sports, to, you name it. I had access to it. And I went to an amazing school, which was actually the first public school in New York. And the library in the town that I grew up in was a library that was built by Carnegie, the Carnegie family. They built a lot of libraries. And I just love my life. I'm so proud to be from New York, and I'm glad that that's where I grew up. And so the bag has special meaning to me. So let's take this stuff off. See what it looks like on the inside. It's a nice crossbody. Let's see. So their bags are canvas, coated canvas, and leather trim. Same with the big bag that I got, the Florida one. Inside looks like very nice. Spartina, the bottom, and I will show it to you up close. Oh, and the zipper pull has a mermaid on it there, and there's another one. So their symbol is a mermaid. And the bag that I got for the Florida bag, because it's a big tote, it has a bag charm, and it's of a mermaid, and it's weighty too. It's very heavy. So let me show you what it looks like up close. Okay, you can see the city there, and there's Manhattan, and there's Statue of Liberty, Hoboken. There's a Staten Island Ferry, and Brooklyn there, Coney Island. And there's the back. And here's Manhattan here. Oh, it has Grand Central and Rockefeller Center, Madison Square Garden. Oh, this is so cool. I didn't even see that before. Museum of Natural History, the Bronx, Westchester, the Bronx Zoo, and Queens, Flushing there. Roosevelt Island, the UN, United Nations. So cool, the Central Park. This is very cool. I'm very happy that I got this. And it's very nice. And it's like the perfect size. And there's the inside. Greetings from New York by Spartina. So that's the bag. Okay, so I'm glad that you stayed with me on this 4th of July. Put a little firework in the comment below if you stayed this long. I thank you. I appreciate it. And have a very safe 4th of July and enjoy the weekend. And happy birthday, America.